can you find the angle x? The first method, in any circle, any chord, suppose AC, if it is making an angle theta at the center O, then on the circle, suppose this point is B, it will make an angle of theta over 2. So, here angle ABC, it will be angle AOC divided by 2, and angle AOC is x divided by 2. So this angle, it will be x over 2, and now at point O, this angle is x, and suppose this angle is alpha, this angle is alpha, so x plus alpha, it will be 360 degrees. That means x, it is 360 degrees minus alpha, and in ABCO, this angle is 40 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is x over 2, and this angle is alpha. So sum of all angle 40 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x over 2 plus alpha, it will be 360 degrees, and 40 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x over 2, it will be 360 degrees minus alpha, that is x, and 70 degrees, it will be x minus x over 2, and 70 degrees, it is x over 2, that means x, it will be 140 degrees, and the second method, if we join BO and extend it, then AO, it will be equal to BO, it will be equal to CO, that will be radius, and in triangle ABO, it is A, B, O, AO and BO is equal. That means these two angles, they will be equal, and this angle is 40 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 40 degrees. So this angle, it will be 40 degrees plus 40 degrees. That will be 80 degrees. This angle, it is 80 degrees. And in triangle CBO, it is CBO, CO and BO is equal. That means these two angles, they will be equal, and this angle is 30 degrees, so this angle, it will be also 30 degrees. That means this angle, it will be 30 degrees plus 30 degrees, that will be 60 degrees. This angle, it is 60 degrees, so x, it will be 80 plus 60, it will be 80 degrees plus 60 degrees, so x, it will be 140 degrees.